Welcome to my channel. This is another one of my Sunday dinner recipes, and today we're doing vegetable delight. The ingredients for this recipe will be adobo all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, salt, minced garlic, some vegetarian broth. I like this brand. A red pepper, an onion. Try to be as organic as possible for this recipe. A russet potato, carrots, fresh, and buttery spread. And some broccoli florets. And last but not least, some fresh corn. Okay, for this one, I like to start off with the corn. It's a two-step process with the corn, so I start off the normal way. Put the corn in the pot, add water. Like to put just enough water that you submerge the corn. I don't like to have it drowning in water. Add a little more. Then I flavor the water, as they say. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of butter. And I bring it to a boil. Boil. About 15 minutes later, after it boils, the corn is done. And this is just step one.
Nice.
We'll come back to the corn a little bit later. I'll push that off to the side. Okay, next, now let's get to the potatoes. First, I put the butter in the pan. Again, I like to get personal with the food, so I spread it around with my hand, you know. And I drop in the potatoes. Give them a little touch up. And then I add in a little broth. Just a little bit to give it a little base to steam. I cover it up and I let it steam for a couple minutes. At about 5 or 7 minutes, I check it to see if it's still real tight. And if it is, I put it back in and let it go a little bit more. I like to cook the potatoes until they slightly soft, not really hard, but just a little soft. So roughly about almost 10, close to 10 minutes it should take. Get a nice little char like you frying potatoes. And then I add the garlic. And then I add in the onions. And I give it a little mix. Just to get everything livened up. And I drop in the red peppers. Give it a nice little mix. Just to wake all of the flavors up in the pan. Gonna add in the carrots. Gonna give it another little mix to get everything infused together. Now add in some more of the broth. This definitely gives it that nice moistened flavor and it won't be dry. Now cover it up and I let it cook for a minute. And after about 3 to 5 minutes, I add in the broccoli and I add in the adobo seasoning. Broccoli is quicker to cook, so I add that in last. And I put in the black pepper. And I add in the salt. The aroma from this is amazing, by the way. And I add in a little more of the broth. I give it a nice little mix just to wake everything up a little bit more. To get everything to get settled in with the broccoli, I'll cover it up. I let it cook about 3 to 5 more minutes. It's a quick process. And there you have it. Vegetable delight. Nice, tasty, wholesome, flavorful dish.
Delicious.
Sometimes I don't want to eat meat. I'm just good with vegetables, and this is one of my favorites. I really enjoy this. But wait, we gotta finish with the corn. So on another pan, I go ahead and I add the butter. This is on the medium-high heat. This definitely will wake up the flavor for the corn for this process. Drop in a little garlic. I get it around so I get the butter and the garlic to get infused together. It's a nice little aroma. Then I add in the broth. And I mix that around. This is a quick process as well. And I drop in the corn. So it's basically already done. This is how I season the actual corn itself. Something I picked up along the way since I've been cooking. But this is definitely gives it the corn a nice flavor. So once the corn is in the pan with the broth and the garlic, I roll it around a little bit on all sides. It's basically just keep on rotating it around. Make sure the corn is completely covered. And get it all nice and set up. I'm a perfectionist, I'm sorry. And I put in a little bit of black pepper on it. Or you can also use Old Bay seasoning, but for this one I wanted to keep the flavor so it won't mess up with the vegetables. And I roll it around and you see it got a nice little char to it. And that's from the garlic, the broth, and the butter. And you talking about juicy, man, this thing perfect. And the corn is done.
Bravo, bravo.